Hey everyone, ready to give your lawn the love it deserves? In today's video, we're unveiling the best lawn mowers of 2024, perfect for any yard size or type. From cutting-edge gas mowers to eco-friendly electric models, we've tested and reviewed them all. Investing in a quality lawn mower is essential for maintaining a healthy, beautiful lawn with less effort and time. Make sure to check out the links to all the lawn mowers mentioned in this video, available in the description below. Let's dive in and find your perfect lawn care companion. Starting off our list with the best budget lawn mower. Greenworks 19-inch. It's a compact yet powerful option in the Greenworks lineup that has impressed us in several tests. Let's see what makes this mower a solid choice for small yard owners. One standout feature is its impressive blade speed, clocking in at 178.5 miles per hour, the fastest among all the units we tested. This high blade speed ensures efficient and clean cuts, making your lawn look well manicured. One of the major advantages of this unit is its affordability. It has a low price tag among all the mowers we reviewed, making it an excellent budget-friendly option. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Unlike most mowers on our list, the Greenworks mower is not self-propelled, meaning you'll need to rely on your strength to move it around the yard. Additionally, it is best suited for yards that are 0.25 acre or less, making it ideal for smaller lawns. In conclusion, the Greenworks electric-powered lawn mower is a reliable and efficient choice for small yard owners looking for high performance at a lower cost. Best robotic lawn mower, WORX Landroid. The ultimate robotic lawn mower designed for medium-sized lawns up to 500 square meters. This smart, app-controlled mower offers a seamless lawn maintenance experience with minimal effort. Once set up, the Landroid M500 efficiently navigates your yard, ensuring a consistently neat and healthy lawn. One of the standout features of the WORX Landroid is its intelligent scheduling system. Using the mobile app, you can easily set mowing schedules that fit your lifestyle. The mower's obstacle detection and rain sensor further enhance its efficiency, pausing mowing during adverse weather and avoiding obstacles in its path. The Landroid is equipped with a 20 volts rechargeable battery that provides up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge. Its cut-to-edge technology ensures a thorough trim along the edges of your lawn, reducing the need for additional trimming. Pros of the WORX Landroid include its smart scheduling, quiet operation, and efficient cut-to-edge technology. It also offers voice control and theft protection via PIN code and tracking feature. However, the initial setup can be complex, requiring precise placement of the boundary wire. Best gas mower, Yard Force Gas Mower, the ultimate solution for versatile lawn care. With a 22-inch cutting deck, this mower tackles medium to large yards with ease, delivering a clean and precise cut every time. Its 3-in-1 functionality includes bagging, mulching, and side discharge options, providing flexibility and handling clippings based on your preference. The self-propelled feature ensures easy maneuverability, reducing physical effort, especially on slopes and uneven terrain. Powered by a reliable gas engine, it guarantees consistent performance and durability, making it a dependable choice for any homeowner. However, keep in mind that, like all gas mowers, it requires regular maintenance and tends to be noisier compared to electric models. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Yard Force powerful engine and versatile features make it an excellent choice for maintaining a well-manicured lawn. Best overall lawn mower, Ego Power Plus. It has quickly become a favorite for maintaining a pristine lawn. Let's take a closer look at what makes this mower stand out. The Ego Power Plus is powered by a robust 56-volt, 7.5 Ah battery, providing up to 1 hour of runtime on a single charge. This makes it perfect for lawns up to half an acre. In our testing, it easily handled our quarter-acre lawn in one go. One of the standout features is its 6 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches. This flexibility allows you to maintain your lawn at the perfect height, even tackling tall and thick grass without any issues. The mower is also equipped with LED headlights, which is perfect for mowing during low-light conditions, ensuring you can see your path clearly even at dawn or dusk. The self-propelled feature lets you set the walking speed between 0.9 and 3.1 miles per hour to match your pace, making mowing on slopes and around obstacles a breeze. However, if you've never used a self-propelled mower before, there might be a slight learning curve to adjusting the speed and not letting the mower pull you rather than you guiding it. We also found it very easy to start, adjust, and empty the bag. The mower includes 3 different ways to handle grass clippings. It can mulch them, spew them out the side, or collect them in the included 2-bushel bag. However, the instructions could be clearer, which might be a bit frustrating for first-time users. Overall, the Ego Power Plus Self-Propelled Lawn Mower is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to keep their lawn in top shape with minimal effort. Thank you for joining us as we explored the best lawn mowers of 2024. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect mower to keep your lawn looking pristine. Remember, investing in a quality lawn mower not only saves you time but also ensures your yard remains healthy and beautiful. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the mowers mentioned. Happy mowing and see you in the next video.